So this tutorial is designed to show you how to create a blog in Blackboard 9. So what we'll do is we'll talk about creating a blog, blog types, and then grading a blog. So what we can do is we can go right into the tools area and click on blogs and add a blog right here. Then students will have to actually go in through tools and blogs to get to these. Probably the easier way to do it is to go to a content area like assignments and go over to Add Interactive Tool, cursor over that, go down to Blog, and left click. And I'm going to create a new blog. And what I might use this blog for is I might use it for student introduction. So I'm going to just type in introductions. And I might give some instructions like, please introduce yourself. And it might also say something like, the points for this, if I'm going to grade this, introduce yourself and comment on at least one other student's introduction. Now by default, this blog is available. There's no time restriction, but it's an individual to all students. And the only difference between that and a course blog is a course blog, when you go in, each entry is added indexed right after one another. With individual, you have to actually click on the student to see the blog types. Either way, all the entries are available to all the students. Now I don't want students to anonymously comment, so I want their names to be associated with it. And then I don't want students to delete or edit their entries once they're there, but I am going to grade this, so I'm going to click on grade, and maybe I give 5 points for this. Then I'm going to click submit. And now it'll bring me to the next page, and I actually want to link to this new blog that I just created, so I'll click next. And then I can put some additional information here in the assignment tool, like click on the link above to enter the blog. And then all I have to do is click submit. Now this introduction blog is now there. So if I go in as a student and I click on this course under assignments, you'll see there's the blog introductions. And what they can do is it says, please introduce yourself, so they can create a blog entry. And they can say who they are, and they might tell me something about themselves, like hi, and some information. Now they can attach a file or a picture if you want by clicking attach image, and then they have to click post entry. And now that's there. And other students can see the same thing, and they can comment on it by clicking on this comment button. Okay. Like if they made an error in it, they could add a comment and click add. Now in the faculty end, if I go into introductions, this blog, it brings me in and I can see that this test student has posted, and I can comment on that, and I can say by yourself and add that, and then he can actually, or she can actually see that comment, and so can the other students. Now over here on the left, there's also the entries from by student, and so any student that has submitted one, it'll show up over here, and I can click on that, and then for me to grade this, I can read his or her post, and then I can click on edit grade, and actually I can give them the points that they earned. And then I just hit save grade, and that'll actually save it in the grade book, as well as they can see their grade when they go in. So that has been the tutorial on creating a blog. Thanks for watching.